it's that time of the year again. It's getting colder and the burning of Ravan and his bros across the city has us all choking in anticipation of the big night. The night we all voluntarily OD on carbon monoxide in the name of Diwali. But this year, China is conspiring to add more carbon monoxide to our firecrackers or give all the money that it makes from this season's sales of crackers to Pakistan so it can continue to fund its anti-India terror training. That is, if WhatsApp forwards are to be believed. And rule of thumb, they're never to be believed. Okay, so jokes aside, there's a real push right now by politicians to boycott Chinese-made goods. A new Swadeshi movement. But let's sit back down for a slight reality check. Your enthusiasm to not buy Chinese-made firecrackers this Diwali may be a little unrealistic because you're sharing on Facebook using your Chinese-made phone, yeah, even the iPhone, wearing clothes that were probably made in China, sitting on furniture that was, you guessed it, imported from China. China is currently India's largest trade partner and this exchange has gone up since 2011-2012. And sorry, but India's exports to China have gone down by half during that same time. And it's not just electronics. Those Ganesha idols you're planning to gift to family and friends this Diwali, yeah, probably made in China. India gets cell phones, laptops, solar cells, fertilizers, communication equipment, and even boats and shipbuilding equipment from China. India exports more or less only cotton, copper, industrial machinery, and petroleum. See the difference? Especially in manufactured goods which cost more. Oh, and those WhatsApp forwards that list out what brands are Swadeshi and are okay. Well, most of them manufacture in China. So if you want to boycott Chinese-made goods and go Swadeshi, go right ahead. But just remember, a lot of the stuff that you use will probably be from across the border. So maybe we should stop boycotting China and try and figure out how to send them more of our Indian goods, right? And just so you don't think I'm anti-national, here's a gentle reminder that the over 500-foot tall bronze statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to be put up in Gujarat is going to be made in China. And on that note, I'm going to leave you with these lovely discounts on Made in China flags of India.